Meaning of GM.
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 GM. GM can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can stand for General Motors, a well-known American multinational corporation that designs, manufactures, markets and distributes vehicles and vehicle parts. In finance, GM can also refer to the term good morning, which is used in the context of greetings in a business setting. Lastly, GM can be short for Game Master in the world of gaming. Therefore, it is important to understand the context in which GM is used to determine its specific meaning.